Hey everyone, thank you so much for bopping in with me. Right now we are currently making some chili. So this is a chili recipe I actually created with my first. So um, right now we're just going to go ahead. We're currently grounding up our meat. I did just grab a small 1 pound roll of beef. It's one of those cold days outside, so we're going to make some barbecue chili. So as you guys can see, I am currently grounding the meat. We're going to go ahead and get ready to drain this meat and add our veggies. Alright, so as you can tell, I went ahead and drained the grease and rinsed it from our meat. So we're going to go ahead and pop in our chili seasoning. So here is our seasoning with onions and carrots. So some people tend to use a lot of different things for chili, obviously. So let's go ahead. We're going to have this simmer for at least 30 minutes just to cook the vegetables down and the carrots, which would be the vegetables, and onion. So let's let this cook on low and we'll pop right back in.